As we all know that green plants and trees are having the capacity to release the oxygen into the environment by the process which is known as photosynthesis. Hence, breathing fresh air from the environment, it increases the oxygen inside our lungs and the vital organs of our body. Let me share you some of the benefits of taking fresh air from the environment. Before that, because of the excessive consumption of the motor vehicles due to urbanization, there is excess amount of toxic gases in the environment. When we breathe these toxic gases, it is very harmful for our body. Now let me go back to the benefits of breathing fresh air. Number one, research studies shows that there is a connection between the polluted air and the increase of the blood pressure. Hence, breathing the fresh air which is free from toxic gases, it normalizes our blood pressure and increases the health of our heart and the brain. The next one is, there is a connection between polluted air and the gut health. Inhaling polluted air which consists of toxic gases is harmful for our digestive system, which causes various digestive diseases including irritable bowel syndrome, which needs lifelong medications. Hence, breathing fresh air which is more of pure oxygen increases the digestive health of our body. The next one is, the survival rate of the disease causing microorganisms such as bacteria and the viruses are less in the open air when comparing to the air inside a closed room. Hence, breathing fresh air from the open environment causes less prone to infectious diseases when comparing to breathing the air which is inside a closed room. The next one is, breathing fresh air increases the capacity of the white blood cells, so that what happens is our body is having the capacity to fight against the diseases. Thereby, the immunity of our body increases when we do exercises in the fresh air. Also, when we do exercises in the fresh air, what happens is there is release of hormones such as endorphins and serotonin. These hormones are responsible for increasing the positivity and happiness. That's how it increases the good mental health. So these are all some of the few benefits of inhaling the fresh air from the environment.